We all know dairy is scary, not the healthiest thing, really bad for the animals. So we're gonna be making almond milk as a great substitute for your cereals, for all the cereal lovers. I love Frosted Flakes and Cocoa Puffs. So we're making almond milk that's not too sweet, that tastes pretty similar to milk for that. Okay guys, almond milk is really fun to make, but it will only last 2 to 3 days before spoiling. So if you're gonna make it, please have an intended use. And for this recipe, we did double up on everything, so whatever is in the description, that is what you should follow. After you pour it in your almonds, you want to pour in 3.5 cups of water. You want to turn your stove on to a medium-high heat for the almonds to boil, and leave them boiling for 15 to 20 minutes with no lid on. I put that on by accident, guys. So, yes, don't leave the stove running unattended. We're gonna be sitting down, and I recently got into watching Avatar: The Last Airbender. I'm on episode 5. So we're gonna watch about 3 episodes, and then we'll be back. We can't show you for copyright reasons. You want to get your almonds boiling like this. If they're not boiling like this, they're not going to get soft, and you need them soft. So the almonds are ready, and you want to grab them with gloves. I did burn myself, and then I remembered that I needed my gloves. I got the gloves, and then you just pour out the water. With everything all set, you want to just grab your almonds and you want to pour them into the blender. You want to now just pour your water and you should be set. You want to blend it for about 1 to 2 minutes. When it starts turning white, that's when you know you're doing it right. Add your vanilla extract. Add your cinnamon. Blend it up, and it should be done. Now you want to just grab your almond milk and pour it in your strainer and strain it and get all the almond milk through. If you don't have one, don't worry. You can use a paper towel, make it into a cone, twist the tip, and pour it through there and do the same thing. Oh, this one's so much easier. It's like it's just flowing out of the bag. Okay guys, this is your almond milk, and we have Frosted Flakes, and we're gonna eat it and try it right
now. Homemade milk. It's probably not gonna taste as good because I like to pour in the milk for my cereal.
What's wrong with you?
That's how you make it taste
You're
good.
supposed to pour in your cereal.
Said who?
That's the law. Okay, let's put this milk to the test.
Yo, that tastes really good. I haven't had cereal because I don't like milk, and I just don't like almond milk with cereal. So, and the one they made at the supermarket is too sweet for me. It overpowers the cereal, but this one is like really good.
Honestly, I've had like other almond milks from the grocery store and I ate it with cereal. It doesn't taste quite as good as milk did, this one, it's pretty up there. Like
It's pretty up
really,
there.
like homemade almond milk with cereal. Tastes pretty good.
When we were trying it, like itself, like it's okay, right? But with
yeah.
cereal, like, yo, I'm actually enjoying this.
That's good.